In this quick tutorial, we'll show you a simple way to calculate the median of your dataset using SPSS. Our dataset contains a variable called duration, which shows how many seconds it takes to complete a certain task. We want to find out the median of this duration variable. This is the value that lies exactly in the middle of our data, where 50% of the task durations are shorter and 50% are longer. To calculate the median in SPSS, we click on Analyze, go to Descriptive Statistics, and select Frequencies. This opens the Frequencies dialog box that you see on screen. We want to move the relevant variable, task completion duration, into the variables box on the right. Next, we click the Statistics button. Under Central Tendency, we select Median on the right. We can also select Mean and Standard Deviation to get a more complete picture of our data, but this is optional. Then we click Continue. You'll notice that Display Frequency Tables is checked by default. This isn't necessary for finding the mean, so you can leave it as it is or uncheck it. Once we click OK, our results will appear in the output viewer. We can see that the median for our task completion duration variable is 7.02 seconds. This output also shows the mean and standard deviation because we selected these options. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and simple SPSS tutorials.